Welcome. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to enable Add Pop-ups for emergency alerts on the X app, updated for the latest version. This feature ensures you receive critical notifications with eye-catching Add Pop-ups, keeping you informed when it matters most. First, start by going to your phone's Settings app. This is the gear icon you usually find on your home screen or app drawer. Once inside Settings, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section shows you all the applications installed on your device. Next, find and select the X app from your list of apps. This will open detailed settings specifically for X. Here, tap on Notifications to manage all the alerts and pop-ups related to the app. Now, within Notifications, look for and tap on Notification Categories. This is where different types of notifications are organized, allowing you to customize what you receive. Among these categories, find Emergency Alerts and tap on it. These are the alerts that notify you about urgent and critical updates during emergencies. Finally, to enable the Add Pop-ups for these emergency alerts, simply toggle on the option labeled Show Add Pop-up. This will activate pop-up notifications that appear on your screen, making sure you won't miss any important emergency information. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, going to Settings, navigating through Apps, selecting X app, then Notifications, choosing notification categories, and finally toggling on Show Add Pop-up in emergency alerts, you'll stay up to date with all critical alerts delivered directly to your device in a visible, pop-up format. Stay safe and informed by enabling these pop-ups today. Thanks for listening.